lovies, good morning. How are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily earn money on Facebook by focusing on high-paying niches. You can see on Facebook, everybody is giving his own information and her own information depending on the amount of money they are getting. But the right information, this is it. You know, someone was saying she has around 3 million views, but she has 0.2 something as AdSense. Now, we are coming to this video to show you if you want to earn money like other people who are earning high money, you need to tap into the grace and anointing of high-paying niches. Here, hello everybody, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching from. Welcome to this mind-blowing video. There, welcome back to this channel. If you're wondering why your Facebook page isn't making you money, or you're just starting out and want to get it right, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to earn money on Facebook the smart way, not the hard way. And the secret is simple. It's this. The secret is that you must focus on high-paying niches. Let's get into it. But before we get into it right away, I would love to say thank you to all individuals that have been there for Immaculate Show, especially the top engagers on all our social media platforms. We say YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, all of you. Thank you very much. And for the new subscribers, you're in the right place, because the things we give you are the things that we have tried. And remember, we are the people that really hate poverty, we really hate lack. When we are holding our smartphones and we have access to these social media platforms, everything is possible. And okay, disclaimer, I'm not a financial consultant, no, a financial guru, but I'm a simple lady, very beautiful, with a bright mind, that who decided that I cannot hold my smartphone and I beg for bread. At least let me borrow more than $200, but not borrow less than $50. Let's get into it. Why do you think niches matter here? Like the way I told you of the example of this lady on Facebook, she's advising the new people that for her she has been having millions, hundreds of views, but she get very minimal, 0.0 something. Now, this is where the niches come in. Not all content is created equal, by the way. You can post memes all day or get thousands of likes and still not earn a single coin on Facebook. Trust me. Why do you think? Let me give you the reason. It's because likes don't pay. Niches do pay. And how do niches pay? Hold on, I'll let you know. Brand sponsors and even Facebook itself, through monetization tools, rewards creators in topics that are variable in the market. These are called high-paying niches. What makes a niche high-paying? That is the next question that should be in your mind. A high-paying niche is one where advertisers are willing to spend more money in it. It's where your audience has buying power and where your content can lead to real conversion, sales, sign-ups, and even services. The better the niche, the higher the CPM. When we are talking about the CPM, we've been talking about it here. It's cost per mile. That is cost per mile. That is cost per 1,000 views. And more monetization opportunities you'll get through this. Now, when you come to think about it, top high niches on Facebook, what are they? We are going to be looking at them. But what do you think? Have you already liked this video? Sincerely, if you've reached here without liking, please make sure you like, you even comment, tell us your mind, and you can also forward it and share it to your beloved ones. They should know these secrets. Here are some of the best niches that pay well on Facebook. The first one is personal finance and investment. When I'm talking about personal and financial investment, I mean savings, budgeting, crypto, business tips, and many more that you can mention. Then this one, I will give it 98 out of 100. I will not give it full because it's not healthy. Then the second is health and fitness. Health and fitness, trust me, weight loss, mental health, and natural remedies are on top notch now. They're on top of the list. We can give it 97 out of 100 because the moment you are in, whether it is even it is about powdered milk, it is about health diet health. It is about this diet plan. All these ones, advertisers are willing to pay adverts on these videos, so they pay a lot of money. Tech and gadgets is the third one. I'm always it is always hard for me to mention that word tech reviews. When we're talking about tech and gadget, we talk about phone reviews, unboxings, tutorials. These ones they pay highly. Talking of phone reviews, I did a review on iPhones, the features and benefits. I gave 20 features and benefits in one of the writing. It is on Facebook. You can follow Immaculate Show and see what are the 20 features and benefits of having a smartphone, and in particular on iPhone. So if you have iPhone, you can really do these tech gadgets. You can review Samsung. You can review these mics that we are using. You can review anything. Then you can also do even unboxings. Most people have been doing unboxing, but some of them do it a wrong way. Unboxing, you should also do it in a way that you bring in key searchable words. You know why you're doing that unboxing, not for the sake of saying I'm getting a cloth from Temu, from Noon, from Shein. No, you be specific and be strategic. Then we have digital marketing and online business, social media tips, affiliate marketing. These ones they take. Can I give them like around 89 out of 100? Why? Because online business like affiliate marketing tend to be hard for some individuals, since it involves you making clips, advertising on your social media platform. But the moment you venture into this and you're on Facebook, you are going to get enough money. Then we have parenting and family life. People who are doing motherhood, please come and explain here. People who are doing anything concerning baby tips, please, I know you know what I'm talking about. New moms, they are getting enough money on this. Luxury and lifestyle. When we're talking about luxury and lifestyle, you've had luxury. Here there is fashion, there is skincare, travel, luxury routines, especially on the side of ladies. Ladies are looking for this so much. So the advertisers are willing to pay a lot of money for their adverts to be pressed on your videos. And if you go to see luxury routines, because they know people are there, they'll get conversion from there. By the way, this is the secret why they pay money. I know they are wondering. They pay money to put their adverts because they know your audience has a power to click on this and do some purchases. So that is the conversion. Then we talk about motivational and personal development. This is what is trending. Most people do it, but there are some people who do it without putting in mind that there is earning. They just do it for the sake of doing. But the moment you do this on motivation and personal development, and whatever you do, whether it is a video, whether it is a short clip or it's a write-up, you do it in a way that it is packed with key searchable words, you are going to get money through advertisers. So when we're talking about motivation and personal development, we talk about quotes, routines, goal setting, and many more. Education and career. Hey, scholarship, online learning, and career advice. These ones, most advertisers put their ads on your videos. Then we have real estate and property tips, whereby we see buying and renting, interior design, and many more concerning real estates. Here, you invest in this, you really invest and focus on this niche, you'll thank me later. Food and cooking is another niche, which is last but not least, especially niche based like vegan. You know that most people who are vegetarian. If you venture into this one, traditional or health recipes, you are going to attract the attention of this advertiser that pay a lot of money. So your CPM will be high. Now that I've given you 10 best niches, pick a niche that you love and that pays. Pick it right now, the one you love. Me, I almost love from 1 up to 5, all of them. Now, the only thing I want to tell you, you will not stop on picking the niche and saying I'm going to do this. This is an added tip I'm giving you. If you want to make money on Facebook, Don't just post for fun. If you post for fun, you'll not get money. You have to post with intentions. You have to post with a focus. Pick a niche that pays. If you come to think about it, if you see one video is getting $2 and another is getting $0.01, you're supposed to sit down and say, which niche? Why is this one paying $2 and this one is paying 0.5? So you pick that niche. And the best one that I would have brought first is to be consistent. Everything that we've talked about, you can have a best niche, but the moment you don't be consistent, you don't expect money. Because the algorithm loves people who are very consistent, provided they are giving value. Add value in every post or in a video. Please, algorithm, I repeat, loves value. Use reels, lives, and stories to grow faster. Facebook people rewards value. Not only Facebook, even YouTube, all social media platforms, they are built in a way that they want to see value in what they are doing. They value not on noise. You know that most people are focused on views, whereby now for you to get views, you have to be noisy, you have to be the other negative part or the opposite part of this. So focus your energy in the right places. Don't just put your energy in the wrong places that will not pay you. Now, can I ask you something as I end? Which of these niches are you ready to work on? Or which you're thinking of starting? Drop it in the comments section and I will come back to you, then we shall talk. If you know you got value from this video, give it a like, share it with somebody who needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe for more weekly tips, daily tips on how to grow and earn online using your smartphone. And you can also visit our second channel, that is Whispers of Love. Remember this, that you don't need a laptop, you just need the right strategy. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye-bye.